Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. I don't know about you, but I certainly grew up eating mac and cheese. It was one of my favorite foods as a kid, except that we called it cheese macaroni here in India for some reason, or at least in my house. And we all know that mac and cheese is not the most nutritious food in the world. So today I'm going to show you how to make a lower calorie and healthier mac and cheese. This is something you can eat every single day because it's healthy and nutritious. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'm using regular pasta. Yes, you heard that right. If the Italians can eat it and not get fat, so can I. And I've got my hands on some elbow macaroni, but you can use whatever macaroni you like. Since we're making a roux for the mac and cheese, we're going to need some milk. So I'm going to measure out 1 cup of milk, and then to that I will add a cup of water, which gives me skimmed milk, lower in calories. My secret ingredient to making a killer mac and cheese is a beef stock cube. This adds loads of flavor to the dish, and since we are making it less rich than regular mac and cheese, I drop it into my milk. I microwave the whole thing for a minute and give it all a good mix till that beef stock cube is fully dissolved. Now we can get started on the mac and cheese. I'm going to start by getting a pot of water on the stove to boil our pasta. I season that water generously with salt. You want it to taste like the sea. Now just cover it and bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, I'm going to add in my pasta, which according to the package will cook in 8 minutes. So I set a timer for 8 minutes. Now I get my wok on the stove because it's time to make our cheese sauce. So in goes 30 grams of butter, and as that starts to melt, I will add in 30 grams of regular all-purpose flour and give it all a good mix. Now we want to cook this mixture for about 2 minutes or so till that raw flour is cooked out. Then I will add some nutmeg powder to this and keep cooking it for a minute more before I start adding in our beefy milk mixture. Now you want to add this in little by little and keep whisking it so we get a nice smooth sauce. If you add everything in quickly, it will get lumpy, so be patient and add it in slowly. Once that's all been added, we're going to add in some cheese, and I'm using 2 different kinds, Emmental and cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you like, and whisk that cheese in and let that sauce cook down for another minute. And then we have a rich, thick and delicious cheese sauce. Now mine is brown because of that beef stock cube. So if you want a whiter sauce, then skip the beef cube and just use salt to season it. My timer has gone off, which means our pasta should be cooked and ready. So I'm going to remove it with a slotted spoon. I think they actually call this thing a spider. Anyway, you can save some of that pasta water to thin out the sauce later if you want. Then add your pasta to the sauce and give it all a good mix. Now that, my friends, is your basic lower calorie mac and cheese. Less calories, still tasty, but it's not particularly nutritious. So we're gonna turn this into a health bomb that you can eat every day. To do that, I like to add some chicken breast and some mixed vegetables to it. I first season my chicken breast with some salt and pepper on both sides. You can also add other seasonings if you like, but I like to keep it simple. Then I get my non-stick pan on the stove and spray it with some cooking spray. And then I add my chicken breast to the pan and just cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side till fully cooked. And then when it's done, remove it from the pan and let it rest. Once that chicken is well rested, just chop it up into nice bite-sized pieces, and you've got your chicken ready to pack some protein into that mac and cheese. For the mixed vegetables, I'm just using a bag of assorted mixed veggies that I found in my supermarket, but honestly you can use any vegetables you like. This mix has green beans, carrots, peas, cauliflower, and it will do the job. To cook the veggies, I get my pan on the stove and I add the vegetables to the pan, season it with some salt and some pepper, and then just cover it and let it cook till the vegetables are soft and tender. Now just add your cooked vegetables and your chicken which you've cut up to the mac and cheese, and we've turned it into a power-packed healthy meal full of good things your body needs: protein, carbs, fats, micronutrients, macronutrients, and heck, the most important thing, deliciousness. So that's it, folks. Our healthy mac and cheese is ready and served. Dig in and enjoy. But since you can't and I can, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright, folks, it's time to taste our low calorie and healthy mac and cheese. And look who's joining me for the taste test. It's my dad, Mickey Makija. Are you ready, Dad?
I'm absolutely ready. It's mac and cheese, mac and peas, mac and carrots, mac and chicken.
There's vegetables and chicken, and guess what? This is not keto, so this is real pasta. Because he always gets fed like zucchini pasta and cauliflower rice, which he does not really like. But now he's getting some real pasta. Anyway, dig in.
If you could see health, this is what you're looking at.
Well, it's creamy. It tastes healthy, I gotta be honest. Like, it's not got that excessive richness of like a super cheesy mac and cheese, obviously, because we made some adjustments to ensure it was lower in calories, but it's very tasty.
Yeah, it is. And we grew up eating this stuff.
I would eat this like on a daily basis, and I am actually going to be eating this on a daily basis.
What they call mac and cheese. We used to call
mac and cheese. We used to call it cheese macaroni.
Cheese macaroni, yeah. In
we
India.
used to invert it, yeah. I don't know why.
So,
but I like it. I'm going to be eating this. Does this get your approval?
yes, absolutely. I mean, I would add a little more cheese to it, but what the heck.
Yes, I have to go for a little bit of a longer walk. But anyway, we're going to eat this now and for dinner tonight as well. I hope you guys will try making this and let me know how it turns out. And anyway, I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. So till then, cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, if you like mac and cheese, well, smash that like button please. And click here to watch another Headbangers Kitchen video.